Hey guys, what is up? So in today's video, I want to share with you the framework to launch ad campaigns. If you're launching an ad campaign, if you're running Facebook ads and you're launching an ad campaign for the first time for your product or your service or your client's product or your service, what are the frameworks? आज मैं उसी बारे में बात करूंगा. बहुत important video होगा, ध्यान से सुनना. So we follow this framework, and I'm here sharing with you the same framework that we have used to scale accounts from that were spending 0 rupees to spending over like monthly or daily बताऊं तो up to 50,000 per day. But on average, if I tell you, you can take it to be around 30,000 per day on average. So that's roughly around 2 lakhs, in the range of 2 lakhs per week. Okay, so that's 8 to 10 lakhs per month. उस लेवल तक मैंने टेस्ट किया है, उससे आगे लेवल तक मैंने टेस्ट नहीं किया है. सो आई डोंट नो, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कांट गिव यू एनी गारंटी कि 50,000 40,000 पर डे से ऊपर भी क्या ये कर पाएगा. मेरे पास अभी तक वो अपॉर्चुनिटी आई नहीं है, जिस दिन आएगी बता दूंगा. सो एंड तक सुनो. नाउ द स्टेप नंबर 1 is to launch, right, when you want to test. And whether you are trying to collect leads, giving something away for free, or you are selling something, it's the same process. You want to launch with 1-5-3 framework. 1 campaign, 5 ad sets, 3 ads inside each ad set. That's what you want to do. 1 campaign, 5 ad sets, 3 ads inside each ad set. Clear? Simple. 1-5-3 framework. That's what it's called. Now, this is a CBO campaign strategy. This is 2024. वो भी एंड हो रहा है अब. आने वाले टाइम में ज्यादातर 20 CBO ही चलेगा. बिकॉज अगर आप नोटिस करो ध्यान से, आई बिन doing digital marketing since 10 years now, and if you will carefully observe, right, as per my experience, what I have also observed, कि जब कोई massive big change आने वाला होता है advertising में, तो छोटे छोटे micro changes पहले आते हैं, and then slowly and gradually it completely transforms. So you will notice how Meta is focusing too much on Advantage Plus these days. So it actually wants the advertisers to not do a lot of things themselves, but instead ये सारे डिसीजन मेकिंग वो चाहते हैं कि उनकी एल्गोरिदम उनके एआई को ही दी जाए. इसीलिए आई एम एंटिसिपेटिंग सीबीओ ही बेटर चलेगा इन द फ्यूचर. अभी भी मैं बता रहा हूँ, आई एम रनिंग सीबीओ कैंपेन्स. सीबीओ स्टार्ट में थोड़ा स्लो होता है, बट जब वो पिकअप करता है, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक सीबीओ. उससे ज़्यादा स्टेबल कुछ नहीं होता है. ओनली इफ यू नो हाउ टू रन सीबीओ, दैट इज इफ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड. सो ये वही फ्रेमवर्क है और यही काम करता है. एबीओ सीबीओ दोनों करें. एबीओ भी करते हैं हम, विच आई विल टेल यू द नेक्स्ट फ्रेमवर्क. So first is 1-5-3. Got it? 1 campaign, CBO level, budget, 5 ad sets, 3 ads inside each ad set, and you can launch this with 1,000 per day. Now, each ad set that you will do, if you're launching, because this is ad launch strategy, right? Each ad set that you will launch, you can launch with one single interest. Layer mat karna, stack mat karna, narrow mat karna. इंटरेस्ट बिहेवियर मत करना, एंगेज शॉपर और ये सब नॉनसेंस बातें मत करना. ये बिल्कुल स्केलेबल नहीं है. ओके, परफॉर्मेंस आपकी फ्लक्चुएट करेगी बहुत मैसिव तरह से. यू विल गेट रिजल्ट्स वन डे, द नेक्स्ट डे यू वोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स. वन डे यू विल गेट रिजल्ट्स, द नेक्स्ट डे यू वोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स. इट जस्ट बी, it'll take away all your peace. So don't follow any of those things, because now they don't work. They used to work. मैंने खुद किया है. Now they do not work anymore. So I'm just out here sharing everything from my experience that I know that works and will also be helpful for you. Yes? 1-5-3, 1 single ad set inside each ad set, and 3 ads inside each ad set. Now, all the ads that I'm talking about, you can and you should have only 1 single ad creative, but 3 variations of the ad creative. Okay? So 5 ad sets, and let's say ad set number 1, उसके अंदर आपने एक ad creative डाला. Let's say video ad. Let's say ad 1 to 3. That's the ad code 1 to 3. So you take that ad 1 to 3. You put that inside 1 ad set, and then you create 3 variations of that same ad creative. How? By replacing the ad copy and the headline. Understood? So that becomes 3 ads, and now you use that those same 3 ads and put them in all the ad sets. That's how you launch a CBO and launch strategies 1-5-3 with 1,000 per day, and let it run and do not touch it for at least 3 to 5 business days. Please wait. Okay? Have patience. Now, shortcuts होते भी नहीं है वैसे भी. Now, let me tell you what you need to do before you launch. You need to be very clear, very, very ultra clear with what is going to be your kill point. Okay, I see a lot of people make this mistake, so do not make this mistake, please. It's my humble request. I know it's your hard-earned money. I want you to make a lot of money. That's why I keep coming out here and keep sharing these frameworks for free with you guys, so that you can just go out there and make a lot of money, make your family proud, buy whatever you want to, grow your clients, grow your company, grow your business, and just live a happy life. So please make sure that you set up your kill point and you have a very clear dedicated kill point, which means kill point का मतलब कि मुझे पता है कि मेरी एक, और टिपिकली क्या होता है मैं बताता हूँ, ये फॉर्मूला है, ठीक है, और ये बहुत ज्यादा ट्रायल एंड एरर के बाद आया. इफ यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, यू नो दैट दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम माय हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ taking multiple accounts to over 8 figures and spending over 8 figures on Facebook ads. So मैं बता देता हूँ कि kill point, typically kill point क्या होता है जब आप लॉन्च करते हो. 2x of your target CPA. So kill point कैसे निकालते हैं ये भी सुन लो. So for example, अगर मेरा target CAC है, customer acquisition cost या whatever, let's say वो 500 rupees है, अगर मेरा वो target है, तो मेरा kill point होगा 2x into my target CPA. So when I'm launching and I'm testing, because I'm just launching, I will let the ads run until and unless वो 2x CPA तक पहुंचेगा, which is my kill point. So all the 5 ad sets that I talked about, you need to let them run until and unless each of the ad sets hit 2x CPA, target CPA, which becomes your kill point. और तब तक अगर उसने आपको sales registrations या whatever you're running ads for leads नहीं दी 2x CPA पे, then you can kill that ad set. Simple. So you have to define that. अब ये 500 rupees तो एक example था. You can decide whatever it is according to your goal. Like if you're running to capture a lead and you are giving something away for free, then if your target is say 50 rupees, then your kill point becomes 50 into 2. So that's 2x of CPA. So that becomes 100. And you have to stay patient. Okay, give enough time to Facebook to let it optimize it for you. That's what we follow. That's what we have been following. And I've worked with some international media buyers also from elite, some really top class elite agencies. I've learned from them years ago. And that's pretty much how everybody follows at the higher level who do top level media buying. High spenders ऐसे ही करते हैं, agencies ऐसे ही करती हैं. So please follow that. And yeah, so that's it. So CPA target CAC decide कर लेना, या टारगेट जो भी कॉस्ट है वो डिसाइड कर लेना, कॉस्ट पर रिजल्ट, टारगेट, एम रियलिस्टिकली, ठीक है, और फिर उसका किल पॉइंट होता है 2x into that. That's your kill point. Okay. The next step is which is what when we run ABO, and when we do that is, so let's say you launch this, you find something winners here. Now you can, if you want to take it to the next level, the next step typically is launching an ad, a campaign to test a different ad creative with the same product. Because you remember in the 153 we have only launched one unique ad creative. So in order for you to get ready to scale, you need a minimum of seven-ish unique winning ad creatives. उससे पहले अगर आप scale करने की कोशिश करोगे, your performance is going to fluctuate a lot. So minimum 7 winning creatives, 7-ish, right? Sometimes you can get away with 5 also, but 7 is what I prefer. We currently manage accounts where we are maintaining performance. जैसे उनका, हमारा एक client है, उनका target है under 500. Okay, cost per result का target उन्होंने दिया हुआ है हमें under 500. हम वो maintain कर रहे हैं master campaign एक ad set में, जिसके अंदर हमारे पास 9 active ads हैं इस time. So वो maintain है performance, right? So out of my experience, I can tell you 7-ish is what you require. Okay, so that's it. 1-3 हम framework launch करेंगे. 1 campaign, 1 ad set, 3 ads inside each. एक ही ad set है, so 3 ads. Now this can be ABO, and the purpose of this campaign is to test an ad creative, a different ad creative, different than the 153. Okay, so अब क्या करोगे, क्योंकि आप ad creative test कर रहे हो, you are going to use that one single interest that you found out to be as the winner from the 153 test. So उन 5 ad set में से जो भी एक ad set आया as a winner, you will take that interest, you will use one interest. Okay, you will take that 113, you launch 1 campaign, 1 ad set, ABO level budget, 500 per day, 1000 per day, whatever is your budget. You run that with 3 ads. Again, one unique creative, but this time a different creative. Remember the last time we said that the creative code can be 1 to 3 for an example, like hypothetically speaking, I gave you an example of creative code as 1 to 3. Let's say this is creative code 1 to 4. Okay, the next creative. So I'll have one unique creative, but a different one, 1 to 4. And then again, I'm going to create 3 variations of it with headlines and ad copy. And that's how I'm going to launch it. That's how you launch and test and scale ads. And उसके बाद के भी थोड़े और steps होते हैं that you take it through different stages and test different interest. But याद रखना ये बात, ultimate goal and ultimate objective to scale Facebook ads. मैं बार-बार बोलते रहता हूँ. You guys keep asking me questions and I truly appreciate it. I truly admire you guys for taking our time and just hustling so much. And I admire you for all the you inspire me because you guys are working so hard and you are also consuming content and learning from different places from me and all of the places, and more power to you. I wish you guys all the best. But ye yaad rakhna meri baat that whatever is that I am sharing with you, ultimate objective for you, the goal should be to keep testing and launching broad campaigns with open targeting and try to start testing it as fast as possible. So ultimately start getting results from broad and open targeting, because that is where the best amount of, like, you will have the best peace and freedom. Of course, start nahi kar sakte open targeting, broad targeting se. So you test a few things, but you keep launching the test for broad and open here and there. But ultimate goal wohi hota hai. Just remember that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So 153 to launch an ad campaign and launch meta ads if you're launching. And then once you start finding winners, then you keep launching other stuff. 113 is what your framework you follow to test an ad creative with a winning interest. That's it for now. I hope that this helps you and adds value. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.